So here we need to find the product and write our answer in standard form. And so we have these two polynomials, the first one with 2 terms, the second one with 3 terms, and we've gone over 3 different ways to solve this problem, but we cannot use the second way. So this first method, using distributive property, works all the time, right? This times table method also works all the time. But the FOIL method only works for the product of 2 binomials. And you can see here that the second polynomial is not a binomial. Right? So we can't use the FOIL method. Let's use the distributive method. So this is going to equal to 3x times the second polynomial. So it's going to be 2x squared plus 7x minus 8. And then I have a negative 5 here, so it's going to be negative 5 times the second polynomial is 2x squared plus 7x minus 8. Okay, so now we're going to distribute out the 3x. So that's going to equal to 6x to the third power. And then the next is going to be plus 21x squared. And the last one here is going to be negative 24x. Alright, so that's my first polynomial. Now we have my second polynomial. It's going to be negative 5 times 2x squared. So it's going to be negative 10x squared. Negative 5 times 7x. So that's going to be negative 35x. And then negative 5 times negative 8 is going to be positive 40. Okay. So now that we're here, we want to combine our like terms, and if you look at it, we have 2 like terms here, x squareds, and then we have 2 like terms here, we have x. So let's go ahead and combine those like terms. It's going to be 6x to the 3 plus 11x squared, and then this one is going to be minus 59x. And then right here is going to be our 40. And that is our final answer in standard form. Right. And then for number 8, we could use the distributive method that we used up here. I'm going to write distributive method. But I'm going to go ahead and use the times table format just to mix it up. So how do we do this? Again, the first polynomial determines how many columns. The second polynomial determines how many rows. So I'm going to have a 3 by 3 box. So it's going to look like this here. And then the first column, I'm going to have m squared. Second column, m times 2 and negative 3. The first row, I'm going to have m4 times m squared, negative 7m, and a 5. And then I'm going to go and fill in the chart. So we have these 2 terms multiplied by each other. It's 4m to the 4. These 2 is going to be 8m to the 3. And these 2 is going to be negative 12m squared. And these 2, it's going to be negative 7m to the 3. These 2, it's going to be negative 14m squared. And these 2, it's going to be positive 21m. And then we're going to come over to here. So it's going to be 5m squared, 10m, and negative 15. Wow. Let's go ahead and write out our polynomial here on the side. It's going to be 4m to the 4 plus 8m to the 3 minus 12m squared minus 7m to the 3 minus 14m squared plus 21m plus 5m squared plus 10m minus 15. So we need to combine our like terms, and so we have 2 like terms here, the m to the 3's. We have 3 like terms here, m squared, and m squared, and we have 2 like terms here with just an m. So let's go ahead and rewrite that. It's 4m to the 4. Combining these 2 together is going to give me plus m to the 3. I'm combining all 3 of these terms together, so it's going to be negative 26 plus 5 is negative 21 m squared. And then I'm going to combine these 2 together. It's going to be 31m. And then I have my minus 15. And this is in standard form. And it is my final answer using the times table format.